It's just August, right?
Here.
Yeah, and it's not unusually hot, really. It's just a couple of degrees above normal for this time of year. This is time-lapse taken since the noon hour. And one thing that's different from yesterday, because it seems like all the weather lately has been the same from day to day, but today there's been a little bit more in cloud cover, as you can see in time-lapse. And I'll explain that in a second. We have temperatures at DFW at 96 degrees. Dallas is at 98 with a feel-like temperature at Love Field 103. It's a triple-digit feel-like temperature at Meacham as well, with a actual temperature 94. Out this evening, pretty much like yesterday evening, the breeze will help if you want to go out and take your walk. Temperatures will be dropping through the 90s into the 80s by 10 p.m., upper 80s. Sea breeze, shower activity has been rather strong here across the afternoon hours up the 35 corridor, and some of this did get into North Texas, just into Anderson County. This last couple of hours of radar, you see some showers showing up in the southern part of the county. That's about as far as they will get. Future Sky forecast shows that the evening dry across North Texas and temperatures dropping through the overnight hours into the upper 70s. Now tomorrow that activity coming up from the southeast is going to bring up these rain chances a little bit more. So we're talking about a 10% chance of rain for the Metroplex tomorrow afternoon, 20 to 30% chance as you go down into the southeast, so a little bit better chance. Hope you get some rain tomorrow. Look, as we close the work week, get into Labor Day weekend, not much of rain chances till we actually get to Labor Day, and that's a 20% chance. You know, we have to take pause here. Of course, landfall of Harvey a couple of days ago and a year, but it was on this day, actually in the evening through the overnight hours, that a foot of rain fell in Houston in 8 hours, and all that flooding occurred. This is over the last 10 years, all the major September hurricanes, so we're going into the peak of the season, and right now it looks like there is potential development across the Caribbean into the Atlantic as we start September because of warm water and less shear. We'll keep an eye to it, but for the rest of the work week, just dry conditions, upper 90s, and no talk of tropical development. As we get into Labor Day, a 20% chance rain and thunderstorms start to show up, and they linger into Tuesday.